Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So if you are looking to streamline the process of your customer relationship management, then you are in the right place, because today we are going to learn how to automate HubSpot CRM using Pabbly Connect. So as you know, HubSpot is a popular, free and easy to use customer relationship management platform which helps businesses to easily streamline the process of their sales, marketing, even the customer interaction effortlessly. So we are going to learn how you can use HubSpot CRM inside Pabbly Connect to automate all your repetitive tasks related to the customer's relationship management, that too without the requirement of any coding and programming skills. So if you want to learn the full process step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use HubSpot CRM inside Pabbly Connect to automate all your repetitive tasks related to CRM. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how you can set up connection between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect, that too without the requirement of any coding and programming skills. As you know, HubSpot CRM is a robust customer relationship management platform which is specially designed to help businesses grow by improving their interactions with potential and existing customers. It offers a suite of tools for marketing, sales, customer service and content management as well, and all aimed at streamline and optimizing the customer journey. Okay, basically this platform provides features such as contact management, email tracking, sales automation, analytics and more, making it all-in-one solution for businesses of all sizes and all kinds. So here I'm going to tell you how with the help of Pabbly Connect you can automate the entire process which are involved inside customer relationship management by simply setting up a connection between your HubSpot CRM account with Pabbly Connect. So let's move forward quickly. Here we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, you can directly click on sign in option. But if you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will do that, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So because I am already an existing user, so I've already logged into my account, and here this is the dashboard where we can find all of our workflows which we have created. We can also create different folders over here to save our workflow separately. Now quickly I'm going to create a new workflow to explain you how we can set up a connection between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect. For that, first of all, we have to provide a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name, let's say automate HubSpot CRM using Pabbly Connect, and then I'm going to select the folder. So here I have a specific folder for all these automations for HubSpot CRM. I've selected that, and now quickly I'm going to click on create. As we've done that, here a new screen is open in front of us which contains two windows, trigger and actions. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are actually the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. So here, first of all, let's suppose I'm going to show you how to set up connection between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect in trigger. So here I'm going to take a scenario. Let's suppose whenever a new contact will be created inside your HubSpot account, you want to create a record of all these contacts in your Google Sheets, and you want to send a WhatsApp message to each of these contacts as well, and all this process should be automated. For that, what we will do, we will simply take HubSpot CRM in our trigger step, and we are going to take Google Sheets and WhatsApp Cloud API in our action steps. Okay. But when we are going to set up the connection between these applications, we can clearly see that actions are going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the contact is added inside HubSpot, then only the details will be added in Google Sheets, and then only a WhatsApp message will be sent to each of them, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start connecting HubSpot inside Pabbly Connect. So you can connect HubSpot both the ways, inside trigger as well as inside action as well. So according to your requirements, you can connect HubSpot with Pabbly Connect. And I am going to show you both the methods. First of all, I'm going to show you how you can set up a connection between HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect with trigger, so that whenever a specific event occurs inside HubSpot CRM, the response of that will be immediately and automatically captured inside Pabbly Connect, and further you will be able to transfer that same data automatically to any other application according to your requirements. So here let's get started. In order to start the workflow, we have to go towards our trigger step, and here we are learning how to set up connection between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect as trigger. So here our trigger application will be HubSpot. Let's select that. You can see I've already logged into my account. Now here I'm going to go towards trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. You can see we have multiple events over here. New contact added, new contact updated, company updated, deal updated, ticket updated, new company added, new deal added, and etc. So on the happening of whichever specific event you want to capture the response, that specific event you can select over here. According to our scenario here, I want that as soon as a new contact will be added inside HubSpot CRM, so I want to capture the response of that immediately and automatically. So new contact added will be my trigger event. Now to build the connection, we have to click on connect, and here we have two options: add new connection or select existing connection. For building a new connection, you have to select add new connection option, but in case if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. When I'm going to click on add new connection, here we have an option of connect with HubSpot CRM, and because I've already logged into my account, so just it is asking us to select the account. So I'm going to select my account over here, and then we'll click on choose account. With this, we can see that HubSpot is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now here, after building the connection, we can select the output properties. Over here, whatever details of the new contact you want in the response, you can select these properties. We have a special feature inside HubSpot CRM that when you're creating a contact, when a new contact is added inside your HubSpot CRM account, and because you're setting up a connection, you want to capture the response of that contact. Whatever details you want to share to any other application, you can select them as output properties. For example, I want whenever a new contact will be added inside my account, I want its first name, last name, email address, and the phone number. Okay, these are the basic details which I want. So here in output properties, first of all, I'm going to select first name, then I'm going to select last name, then here I'm going to go for phone number, and here at last I want the email address as well, so I'm going to select email. So you have to search the keywords which you want, and then it will redirect you towards the actual data. Okay, so here we have work email option. I've selected that. So all these properties I want in my response. Now after selecting all these properties and setting up the connection, what we have to do, we have to simply click on save and send test request button to capture the response. But before that, here I'm going to tell you one more important thing, that HubSpot CRM is based on 10 minutes of polling time. Polling time is actually the time which Pabbly Connect is going to take in order to capture the new response every time. So whenever a new contact will be added inside HubSpot, we are going to receive the response of that contact with all the properties which we have selected over here every 10 minutes. So Pabbly Connect is basically going to check for the new data every 10 minutes, and it is going to capture the new response after 10 minutes. Okay, so here when we are going to click on save and send test request button, currently we are going to receive the response of the latest or the last contact which was added in our account. Here this is the only contact I have, new user. Here is the email address of the contact, here we have the phone number. So when we are going to click on save and send test request button, we are going to receive the response of that same contact only. So let's try. Let's click on the button save and send test request, and you can see that here we have received the response. In this response, we have received all the details. Here we have received the first name of the contact, here we have the last name, the phone number of the same contact, here we have the date and time at which the contact was created, and here we have the ID of this contact as well as the email address. This means that our connection is absolutely successful. So this means that now whenever a new contact will be added inside HubSpot CRM, after 10 minutes, automatically the response with all the output properties which we have selected will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Further, whatever applications you are using in action steps, you can transfer this response to those applications automatically. Here, for example, I want to create a record in Google Sheets of all these contacts. So I can add Google Sheets in my action step. Further, I can also add WhatsApp Cloud API over here to send WhatsApp message to all these contacts, Gmail as well to send personalized emails to all these contacts, and much more. So here we have learned how to set up connection between HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect inside Trigger. Now in the similar manner, here I'm going to tell you how you can add HubSpot CRM in action step, so that whenever you're going to receive a response from any of the application, you can transfer that response towards HubSpot CRM to create a contact or lead. Okay, so over here I have already created a workflow. Let's suppose here I'm taking a scenario that let's suppose I'm running a sports training center for which I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page with the help of Facebook lead ads, and I have already created a Facebook lead gen form in order to generate the leads for my sports training center. Now, as soon as I'm going to receive the response from a new lead for my sports training center through form submission, the lead gen form which I have already created. So I want to add that lead as a contact in my CRM application, that is HubSpot CRM. So when we are going to set up the connection over here, action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, as I told you, that means when the lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, then only the contact will be added in HubSpot CRM, and in this way we are going to automate the entire process. So here I have already selected my application. What I'm going to do, I've already set up the connection between between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So now whenever I'm going to receive the response through a lead, then I'm going to capture the response. It is showing waiting for webhook response. Over here I have already opened the form. Okay, this is my lead gen form, and when a person or lead is going to submit this form, immediately and automatically I'm going to capture the response of that form inside Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to do a test submission to capture the response inside Pabbly Connect currently. Basically, it is a contact form through which I'm going to connect with my leads. Okay, so here it is asking us preferred training program. So I'm going to select, let's suppose, personal training. Here we have the training goals. Let's select sports performance. Here I'm going to give a name of the lead, let's say smart lead, and let's say the email of this lead is smartlead68@pabblytudes.com. Along with it, I'm going to enter a random phone number as well. Okay, and I will simply submit the form. As soon as we have submitted the form, we will go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will see that the response will be captured. Okay, here you can see the response is captured. Here we have all the details which we have submitted in the form. Kind of training is personal training. Here we have the training goals, sports performance. Here we have the full name of the person. Here we have the email address and the phone number. Along with this, we have also received the date and time at which the lead is generated. My objective is to add this lead as a contact in my HubSpot CRM account, for which I am going to set up the connection between HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect as action step. Okay, so here we will move forward towards our action step. I have already selected the application, that is HubSpot CRM. So we'll simply select the action event. Here you can see we have multiple options in the event section as well. So whatever action you want to perform inside HubSpot CRM, you can select that accordingly. If you want to create a new ticket, if you want to create a new company, you want to create a deal, here you want to create a product, line item, etc. Here, because my objective is to create a contact whenever a lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, so create a contact will be my action event, and we'll simply click on connect. Now to build the connection, what we will do, we'll go towards add new connection. Here I have already logged into my account, so we'll simply click on connect with HubSpot CRM. And here once again we have to select our account. We have to click on choose account option. And here our authorization has become successful very easily and our connection is successful. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep login to your applications which you want to connect with Pabbly Connect, because it makes the connection simple and easier. Now what we have to do, we have to enter the details in these fields to create the contact inside HubSpot CRM. First of all, it is asking us the street address, annual revenue, city, close date, company name, etc. All these details related to the lead. Okay, so as you know, we have already received all these details from our earlier response as well. So we have received the name of the lead, email address, phone number. So we are going to use same details only in order to create the contact. And for doing that, we are not going to enter the details manually. We will simply map the data by using our previous response. So here some of the details are not received, such as city, close date, company name, etc. I will directly move towards the name and other details of the contact. So here we will simply map the first name. And because in our response here currently we have not received the first name and last name separately, and the requirement is to enter the first name and last name separately in these fields, so we'll simply separate the name. We'll click on this add action step button, and here we will select our action application as text formatter, and we will simply select our action event as split text. With the help of this feature, we can split the name. Here it is asking us text to split. Once again, with the help of mapping, we are going to enter the details over here. The text which we want to split is the name, so we have mapped that. When we have mapped this name, it has become dynamic, and with each and every new response, it is going to replace automatically now. Okay, now here it is asking us the separator. What is the value you want to use as a separator to separate this name? I am going to use the space because I just want to separate the name, first name and last name. So here it is given that if you want to use space as the separator, you have to simply use this format. I will copy and paste it over here. Then it is asking us which segment of this particular text you want, first or last. I want both, so I'm going to select all. Let's click on save and send test request button. And here this is the first name and we have the last name as well. So one by one we will simply map the first name and last name both. Okay, so here first of all I'm going to map the first name, then we will map the last name. Over here we have the email as well, so we have to map the email address of this contact. We have the phone number, so let's see where's the phone number field, and we will simply map the phone number there. Here we have the phone number, so I will simply map the phone number and done. So we have entered all the details, and now when I'm going to click on save and send test request button, here we have received the response. In this response, we have received an ID. This is the ID of the contact which is created inside HubSpot CRM. So I'm going to take you towards my account and we will refresh the page over here. As we can see that automatically without any manual efforts, a new contact is created over here. The name of this contact is Smart Lead. Here we have the email address and we have the phone number as well. This means that our connection is absolutely successful. In the similar manner, you can set up the connection between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect very easily inside Trigger as well as in Action as well. According to your requirements, you can select the connection. If you want to set up the connection as trigger, so you want that whenever on a specific event occurs inside HubSpot CRM, you want to capture the response and you want to transfer it to any other application, you can also do that. And you can even add HubSpot CRM in action steps so that whenever you're going to receive any response from a form submission, from Facebook lead ads, Instagram lead ads, or even from Google Sheets, then you can transfer that data automatically towards HubSpot CRM to create a contact, create a new deal, and etc. So by using HubSpot CRM inside Pabbly Connect and automating the process of your CRM effectively, you can very easily manage all your sales, you can track the data of your customers, your contacts, you can follow up your leads, send them personalized emails, and you can do much more. So these were the simple steps which you have to follow in order to automate HubSpot CRM with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope this small tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.